Well, as the air pollution situation in Delhi and NCR worsening, the Commission for Air Quality Management has amended the Graded Response Action Plan, or the GRAP, for Delhi NCR effective immediately. Now, what are the key changes here? Number one, mandatory implementation of certain clauses in Delhi, Gurugram, Faridabad, Ghaziabad, as well as Gautam Buddh Nagar. Staggered timings have been mentioned for public offices as well as municipal bodies, and mandatory mask is wearing of mandatory mask as far as outdoors is concerned in this particular GRAP 4 stage. So the Commission for Air Quality Management has now amended the GRAP response, the GRAP for Delhi NCR. There have been multiple changes, including mandatory implementation of certain clauses and wearing of masks outdoors. And my colleague Anushka Garg joins us to get us more on this. Anushka, break it down for us. What are the key things here as far as this amendment is concerned?
Well, certainly, Osama, the revised schedule of GRAP has been, implemented from today. Some of the, clauses in GRAP 3rd and 4th has been, revised today evening only. The 11th clause of the, stage 3, wherein it says that it is mandatory for the NCR states, to close the schools from class, nursery to class 5th. Now it states that in the places like, Delhi, Gurugram, Faridabad, Ghaziabad and Gautam Buddh Nagar, the directions of CAQM, will come, and, then only the, restrictions should be kept in place rather than state government implementing all of it. Because what we saw is that this time also, when the directions came, the state government was liable to, state government had to implement all of that so that it could come on place. But now what we are seeing is that the 5 states, states of NCR, is once the notice comes, the direction should be enough for, to implement the GRAP stages. Now on the, second phase of the GRAP, the third phase, that the, NCR state government to stagger timings for public offices and municipal bodies in NCR and, districts of Gurugram, Faridabad, Ghaziabad and, Gautam Buddh Nagar. On clause 5 of GRAP 5, the, implementation shall be mandatory, wherein from class 6th to 9th also should go to online modes rather than waiting for the government to close the schools. The CAQM will itself decide all of it. And, the last advice that comes in place is that anyone who is required to move outdoors, they are advised to wear a mask, because what we are seeing is that the AQI in Delhi is still, in very poor category, and that is why it is, safe for people whenever they are venturing outside, they should use an N95 mask.
All right, Anushka Garg, thank you very much for getting us all the latest as far as that story is concerned.